Hello my alien students, welcome back. So today, what is the story today? What is John going to teach you today? Actually, this class is been one of the most requested class. Okay, I have been receiving this class from many days. Many students have asked me, John, can you please make one session or one series of classes on your friend families? Okay. So just one random question, okay, just one random question before we start this beautiful alienish class. Okay, I am just waiting for my pen to tell hello to me. Yeah, okay. So we're going to talk about today. Do you think yellow looks good? Okay, we're going to talk about families. Okay, many students I've received many students request stating, John, can you please explain me what is families? Families were in Revit. Okay, so we're talking about families in Revit. Okay, so coming classes I would be speaking on, I'll be diving deep into, you're going to become an alien in families. Okay, but just one random question, what's the difference between projects and families? Okay, where in Revit? This is the first question. The second question is, what is a families? We are happy with project till yesterday, or let's say till today morning, or let's say till last class. Everybody was happy with projects. We were all happy with project, isn't it? Projects. Why do we then have to jump to Revit? To families. Okay. So I need you to tell me the answer. Why? So when I talk about families, what do you think? What comes in your mind? Okay. So in the coming classes, in the coming series of classes, I would be speaking about, or let's say more focusing on families. Okay, we're going to have a full series on this. You're going to become an alien in families. Okay, families is going to become piece of cake. Okay, so I think in the coming classes I'll be explaining what is families, and then how we move forward from that. Okay, so another story was, what is families and why are families important, and what is families? How can I just tell, okay, this is a family or this is a project? Okay, so let's say in the comment section, I'd like you to give me your answer. I want you to think and give me an answer. What's the difference between project and families? Why are we focusing on families? What is the benefit of a family? Okay, so I would be making you alien. Moving forward, I would be let's say this course is on becoming A to Z in families. Okay, Revit families. Okay, not any other family. Okay. So we're going to moving forward, we're going to become become an alien in families. Okay, coming classes I'll be explaining each and everything from the basics on families. One of the most requested topic. I've been getting requests, so I thought, why not open my mouth and speak about the families. So let's consider this the trailer of the movie. Coming classes I'll be explaining everything A to Z on families. Okay, we're going to start slowly, and I think step by step we can move forward. How do we click open new, what's the meaning of everything, connectors, blah 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 blah. Okay, anyway, I hope everybody enjoyed this small trailer movie. Be ready for the next class. Come fresh and energized. We look forward to seeing everyone in the next class. Take care, and I think that's it for today. Yalla, bye.